Mamo akwaba ediba Xposed so wa unia bema limo elikem kwame amega ubetumi aframe efokent me meche so na on all social media platform Xposed yes no Ghana and beyond baby bia obi just for Xposed on sabeka enwoma ye dia to abel from 10 times na ene so na wo join me so subscribe na share video no so den ati ema me who are dero bia opesa obo efa enwoma woton ho de a your number ene gu as a friend ye bebo wo adwuma wo dero ede ama ene nipa so ebeto onwoma na wo ye den woton adwuma ben na wo tia no friend ene wo betwetwe nkomo na asema me dia abeto won se ene menam abel from 10 times so obi be say I was walking through the social media, yes, and I was seeing two things. Na enche ye bia na Kyiremanteng wonim se eba Akufo-Addo ana Akufo-Addo amamwe a onko biom e wo Ghana amamrem no ana Ghana emrem no e kire se the constitution of Ghana mandate say who you president of Ghana you can only go beyond one term which is 2 untumi entoa so enko 3 term untumi enstande enti eyesa na we president na we di 2 term a ebia wo party ni e wo se ye flag bearer na oko MPP amamuo ni ana amanyo ni mu a ana the party of MPP a woni pa na Akufo-Addo eni ni di flag bearership no enwo twentwe bia eye Kyiremanteng I a eduto na efre no Alan Cash na omo ko sa flag bearership battle na enye agrodie kura emu odin emu orem otumu se na nkofo totoa na sebi etai Akufo-Addo echi egbodo na otumu se ye to aba na enti bia sebi enti se bia mahama de na obi ato ne nsade ama no when it comes to MPP ne de na Kyiremanteng vote ma esa Ghana ye to aba because Kyiremanteng carries the crowd so na Akufo-Addo carries the crowd but you baby na they wanted to gain the power no and omo ka kire Kyiremanteng say there be say no Ghana for any Akufo-Addo no enti yam fast flag bearership no doto na enti yakoto can it be answer the 2016 election or general election for the government na flag bearership no answer ne to aba no na ye the 2 minutes almost 95% eti ama ye papa Nana Addo Akufo-Addo and Kyiremanteng so okay yes for us to win power no, this is what we have to do ya nya afa ne betinche yemu eti yemfa to me eti afre ya aba no kunim say Akufo-Addo onko bio enti for the next 24 election e was so obi afa flag bearership e won the party na flag bearership e won the party no say Kyiremanteng he is a clever person munim say an Akufo-Addo eni wa ono ebegina enso na say ya bibam na otumu say enkofo ekeka say Akufo-Addo amamo no to support edema ye papa and your vice president Dr. Mawood Bawumia ono so pese obeye the president of Ghana no ono so pese obeye president of Ghana no enipa bi atwonti te say ye papa atoprekun Kennedy Japan I wono so pese oye flag bearer of the MPP it is say yakonya 3 people a omo yi omanimu ye pa omo pese omo gina mo nim say ye agriculture minister ono so say ani dindi osakoto aso ono so pese wo gina as a flag bearer enti akoy nipa for badodo na nipa eni agina omo so no uyi Dr. Kyiremanteng ene Bawumia onipa odimu dwendwe ye papa ye friend say Kennedy Japan ono enso ene agimu dwendwe na Alan Cash san unim say anse ne be flag bearer no e was so obey the campaign enti tutu na Akufo-Addo amambo no so amasa nkofo ministerial appointment about say akoto a ono no oye minister of agriculture ono no be ka kire Ghana for say an eduane ebu enti wo mo tutu enwoma mu wo market no omo jide omo ye no wa improve the economic the development of agriculture our Ghana so dudu na yeguso na mamane mu ono abaka che ono dudu na emre edu ye oso ono so ayden wa resign ye papa Kyiremanteng baby e de ne koto ye minister of industries na industry bia aba Ghana ebenam ye papa Kyiremanteng so na ebeba One also emre twem ya e na wo bae na obeka kire Ghana for say I wa resign and all resign and or day a statement and eba abonten na emra wo man his speeches no and no na ye issue na ye pese ho o se wo ba obetwa E-Levy we and Ghana for dodo na ebisa se se wo ba obetwa E-Levy me ba o alamchen kodwo Kyiremanteng se wo no wo ba E-Levy na Akufo-Addo amamu e dia breye no se ye ma wo no be ye flag bearer onu obetwa E-Levy ni mo kra sa but enye say ya mani to me e wo MPP amamu ni mo o kan e man ministerial appointment o kan o mining o kan are the daily activities of these countries go in each and every day me ne wo ye koba even though wo nye president iti assemble na alanchen kodwo Kyiremanteng person wo ka kire so ono na ban sana. Let me tell you something. I always tell us they say when you go to the European world and the American world, we always use ourselves to compare them. Say, you see, when it comes to politics in those countries, it is always the country first. Why is it always the country first? Because they think about the people before any political game. Alan Chenko Kyiremanteng, who were MPP, Amomo, into what person will catch it and say, we did because you're Mautumiana. Because when Ghanaians were criticizing about the E-Levy, Ghanaians were crying about the E-Levy. You were in power. It is not like you are not appointed. You were part of this government. So were you trying to tell us, say, because you're Bema Musika, because you're Bema Obibidia shall go to come, and now because you were appointed into the Wuka Wanutumana, then you are not even fit to be a flag bearer of a party. Because you are not a patriotic citizen. You are not a patriotic citizen. Say Yomuka is a new patriotic party. When you're even among NBP, you need to be a patriotic person. You are not even patriotic. You do not think about Ghanaians. You think about your own self-gain. Because your mouth are to me now. So we will be able to drink Ghana for one. It will stand, you have to stand against it. Even if it has to take your life, I bet you will feel baby out here. Obeba o this slide statement bi beba be catch Ghana for say so wo hwe wa dream mu a E-Levy na o say kick against it wo man Ghana for ko ye oni amanim atua E-Levy and na wo pe flag bearership wo catch say wo ba wo betwa E-Levy ade anaduma na sembe no say Ghana for the ye de ni afra ye nim de ye ko sanka Akufo-Addo ama otumi bia e won the party mu ana the government mu a e be say oh yes you are part of the party. Now, so any one it we can consider whatever you are saying. You are part of the government and you are appointed. You know whatever is going on. Then the children say any to and our baby trying. And then she say Ghana for I will say my need be and I may need that one say Akufo-Addo a baby a trim I can some dead at the chair Ghana for and some a rep and I may make corruption me bar me chin. What did he do? He is the epitome. He is the master of corruption himself. It then the children say, wow, who catch it say E-Levy, who ba over to who be E-Levy. And then Anaduma and Sem na who catch it. Your truck, sir, a friend is saying, sir, I did ma and won't winning flag bearership in your party. You catch it say, you are a liar. Who ba be dad Ghana for? Go back and strategize what you will do again to win a flag bearership and the power of Ghana. So what the catches say, who ba power? Who be to try E-Levy man? Who the Ghana for a diapro? Who the you a beautiful? Papa, and conforming more wa tawaji. But if this is the campaign you are doing, you are part of this sinking government. You are part of it. Omo mukwako jina flag bearership for the NPP now. They hear me one said they are part. They have major say, especially with Baumia. It hear me one said these people have no shame for themselves and they say they want to stand at flag bearership. And then Ghana for the Bibia Kata Woneni and that they want to pretend say, oh, I do if you are Ghanaian, I am telling you this. Open your eye. Don't let people say words. Let us see actions. We don't vote for power for people who talk by words. In America, in Europe, we don't do that. because onipa no betena so saa 4 years na wo e no betete wo e no wo be how iti ebusuafo e ai de kojo alanchimate e ka kire me ne wo ne se ono oba wo betwitwa E-Levy kire wadwen na so fa wadwen so ye de e be ka ho anadwuma na sem e ne wo ka kire ana se wo ka ono ankasa so ne ni blasem aha e na me di wo abesi Xposed yet ahwefo akram besraw subscribe so e ma me aha e na me di mo besi asene e besi share